Hello guys, I'm showing you today how I edit my shorts. With this short I got around, as you can see here, 6.7 million views, about 10k subscribers, and sadly only 77 euros. But at the end of this video I'll show you how you can earn much more, like the double or triple amount from this short. So stay till the end. This is actually a problem that no one talks about. YouTube shorts, the RPM of your shorts depends on your niche, but it is usually very low. And as promised, I'll show you at the end how you can earn much more from this one short. But trust me guys, if you have enough viral shorts, then they'll add up together, and trust me, you'll earn pretty good from YouTube shorts. And I can show you also that this wasn't a coincidence. I have a lot of other shorts that went really viral. Let's see. Here, as you can see, we have 1.5 million views. Here also you got 7 million views and earn about 113 euros, which is alright. It's not that good, but it's okay. You have here again about 8 million views, which is also very good, and so on. You see, like, I have a lot of viral shorts, so it's doable. Don't depend on only luck. You have to study the analytics, see what's working, see what's not working, and repeat what is working for you. The reason why I'm not showing you my channel is because I know for the fact that YouTube doesn't like promoting other channels, and I'm still earning money from this channel. So that's why maybe in the future I'll show you the name of this channel, but I don't really think you need to know what channel this is. I mean, I'm showing you here everything, so it actually doesn't matter. So first of all, let's get through this video analytics, and then I'll show you how I edit my videos. So you can see here, I posted this short on August 8th, and today is August 18th. Here you can see the average view duration is about 39 seconds, and the whole short is 54 seconds. So I think that's around 70-75%. What's excellent is the percentage of people who stayed to watch, 81%. It's very good, and that's why this video got a lot of attention. Yeah, let's go to the reach. Here you can see, this is also very important, the YouTube search terms. It's all about football. So this shows you that YouTube understands that your content is about football, or in general, if you're doing another niche, then this shows you if YouTube understands your content or not. Exactly. So when people search about football or Ronaldo or football skills, YouTube suggests my short. So this is a pretty good sign. Let's go to the engagement. We have 4.2 million engaged views. It's quite good. 3.9 of them are unique viewers, also good. And this is the metric I talked about. The stay to watch percentage, about 82% stay to watch, and only 18.3% swiped away. This is actually very good. Like anything above 75% is very good. So guys, now I am in CapCut. This is the program I use for editing my videos. I already have here some clips that I'm going to use. Now let's start with the editing. I'm going to speed up this process because there is nothing to explain or talk about here. So enjoy the process. I always try to get my video to 1 minute, and I'll show you at the end with the analytics, and also I'm gonna show you other stuff why I always try to get around 1 minute. Let's continue. So I'm actually now pretty much done with the video. I am only going to add some sound effects and I'll be back. See you. And that's it, guys. It only took me about, I think, maybe 20 minutes, but I think much less. And with these kind of shorts, I make millions of views. The only thing missing here is a background music. When uploading on YouTube, just add a background music and you should be done. Now let's export this, and I usually send the video to my phone, and from there I upload it on YouTube. After uploading from the phone, I come to my laptop and change some stuff. What I do is always put some hashtags in the description, shorts, and then football. Then we have soccer. You only need like 3 to 4 hashtags. And football. Then we go down, visibility. You change it to public, because you want to get views, obviously. Then here you don't want to change anything, just this one has to be on the no, it's not made for kids. You don't need here to change anything. And what I do is put some tags. These tags help the viewer find your video. We will do something like Messi. Use the name of the players we used in the video. Neymar. We have Ronaldo, and so on. And maybe like again football and soccer. And that's it. You don't need to change anything here. You go up there, and as you can see, it took me really about 20 minutes. And save. So I did promise you to show you how you can earn much more from these kind of videos that I make, and this is by uploading on TikTok. I feel like nobody is talking about TikTok enough. This is a great place to make money. You can earn as much as you earn on YouTube and even more. So when creating an account on YouTube, just create also one for TikTok and upload simultaneously on TikTok. Although the algorithm on TikTok is a bit different, but by uploading every day and step for step, you can make small progresses. And if you do it smartly enough, you can monetize your channel on TikTok and make a lot of money. But it will be smarter if you make content specifically for TikTok, because as I said, the algorithm there is a bit different. So guys, this was only a very simple video of me recording my screen. And if you want to see more, I don't know, maybe about TikTok, about how the algorithm worked there, or maybe about YouTube again, I can show you a lot of other stuff. Currently I have to put a lot of time into college, but if you support me, it would mean a lot to me, and it will also motivate me to make much more videos for you guys. So just like and subscribe and tell me what you want to see in the next video. If it's about YouTube or TikTok, it doesn't matter. I am your guy.